Hello guys and welcome to The Birdcage. Sorry if my mic sounds a bit bad today, but I'd like to discuss a YouTuber that you guys probably may know. Dantdm or Daniel Middleton. He uploads like gaming with my son and stuff like this now. But just like going back to videos, uploads. Well, there used to, if I could find it, like there's oldest. Oh yeah, sort by oldest. Just going here and seeing his old Minecraft videos is probably nostalgic to a lot of people. And if you guys remember, he used to swear in his old videos. I just like found that out a while ago. But yeah, I actually used to watch, well, not like V's, not like, I might watch that later. But like, he will upload like just Minecraft. Then he slowly shifted into other things. Like there's this little wiki page. Hey everybody, Dan here from the Diamond Minecart. Oh, I miss all this, but oh yeah, his broken hand. Oh yeah. Do you guys remember when you burnt that Hatchimal? A lot of things are going on this year. Fun fact, today, my birthday is actually tomorrow, so I might upload another video. I might upload another video tomorrow, but I just wanted to talk about the nostalgic nature of Dantdm, which is probably going to be the name of this video. I never knew he used to look like that. Do you guys remember the Dantdm twin brother thing? I'm not sure if this was real or not, but oh, oh, when was this uploaded? I'm trying to find the upload date. It's probably right in front of me. Um, one second. Sorry about that. My thumbnail guy called me. My friend, Puggers XD. Yeah, we're friends. You should watch his videos. He's really good. Yeah, like, it's just weird seeing all these old videos sometimes. Like, I don't, that's a cool little banner. And, um, yeah, the Diamond Minecart. I never watched it, but it just feels. Oh, I might do a video on Stampy one day, but you guys remember Stampy, right? If you do, like,